Hey guys, it's Abhinav. Good to see you all again. It's been a while I haven't posted any videos. The reason will be told at the end. So today we are going to unbox the Lenovo ThinkVision monitor aka s22e-19 and check out the description box if interested in buying it. So let's get into the box. Firstly, the box is well packed with Chinese instructions, and going in we get a manual book with warranty paper or user guide and all. An HDMI cable, 3-cord power cable, monitor stand. Spoiler alert, this monitor is also designed for wall mount and as well as the base for the stand. On the next section, we get our monitor well packed inside a foam cover embedded with thermocol. And guys, I will explain about the monitor after getting this foam from it. So yeah, by looking at the screen itself, we can see it's a 3-side bezel-less one, and that's dope. The build quality is also good. At the back, there's some ventilation gaps. And talking about the ports, we get a VGA port, an HDMI port and an audio output. On the other side, we get a power inlet port. So lastly, about the display quality and suitable works with this monitor. Starting with the screen size, it's a 21.5-inch Full HD VA panel with crystal clear detail and vivid colors. This screen is also certified for blue light by TUV. For those who don't know what is a blue light, I had previously made a video on it. The link is on the top right corner as well as on the description box. Coming back, the brightness level is up to 250 nits and the response time is up to 4 microseconds. So I would recommend this monitor to gamers firstly. This monitor is also rated for 7-star energy rate consumption, which means less consumption of power. So I will recommend this monitor for those who work at the office, small scale editors like me, for multiple display setup and all. I would say this one is worth of money as it cost only 7,500 Indian rupees with good display quality and build quality. So yeah, that's been about the Lenovo ThinkVision. Check out the description box if you want to purchase this monitor. So guys, I told you I haven't posted any videos for a quite long time. That's because of my studies, and I think I cannot post any content for the next month also because I am having exams scheduled for January. But still I plan to come on live with some interesting games, live Q&A and all. As part of it, my first live Q&A will be scheduled within this year itself. So follow me on Instagram or Twitter so that you don't miss that out. And guys, there is one more thing I have to say about making new contents. Please support me by donating money through the UPI ID showing on the screen so that I can make new content like this. If you can donate some money, and it will be marvelous, and a huge thanks from me. So yeah, that's been it guys. Thanks for watching this video. As I said, new live will be coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter, and leave a like if you like this video, and support me by sharing this video guys, and I will catch you in the next one.